Well, many have been home since the start of the pandemic, including children. One Colorado Springs family using that extra time to their advantage.
By creating an opportunity for their kids to learn alternative topics they would not normally learn in school. Fox 21's Krista Widiak tells us what they did.
Using technology to teach your kids and keep them busy seems to be the norm nowadays, and it certainly helped the Wilcox family in more ways than one. Financial responsibility isn't something always taught in school.
I mean, as a parent, you want to teach your kids how to be able to manage money and to be able to be responsible and understand that if you put in some work, then there is, good consequences that can come from that.
Sarah Wilcox, a mother of 4, and her husband started using the BusyKid app after their Choreboard was no longer doing the trick when it came to motivating the kids to do the chores.
I think it's a really easy way for parents to be able to get their children involved, help prepare them for when they're older, and also be able to manage money.
Bringing the lessons home and focusing on real life.
When I was a kid, we learned how to write checks and how to balance a checkbook, and those things are just so out of date now. So if their parents don't teach them, how are they going to know?
Now this app gives parents a break by transforming the way kids look at chores and work while simultaneously giving them a real-life look at how to handle money.
Jalen, for instance, she saved up quite a bit of money because she wanted to have a bearded dragon. So recently she was able to go get her bearded dragon and have it as her pet, but she also knows that she's responsible for feeding that bearded dragon, and she has to have money to buy the food for it.
We get to spend our money whenever we own it.
So she's learned a big lesson on really, the value of money and the value of work.
BusyKid aims to help kids learn how to earn, save, and spend money.
It really, truly does show kids maybe even a little peek of what it's like to be an adult.
Something I wish I had before actually becoming an adult. Would have been nice, and a transition would have been a whole lot easier. The BusyKid app is free to download, and we have all that information on our website, fox21news.com. Guys?
Use that app too. Thanks.